Hello YouTube. Let's write really simple script, well, relatively simple, which will provide you options to print IP addresses in specific range. I don't know what's the reason you need this. Maybe you're doing some kind of testing, reports, listing, I don't know. But here's the thing. So let's say we have this address, okay? But you wanna all addresses on subnet, like from 1 to 255. So let's write that script. First we will take input from user, and that will be of course IP. Enter IP, and then because IP is consists of 4 parts and they are separated with dots. So the question is how to split this. Just use split like this. Parts of IP, we will get them with split, and that split, that symbol in this case will be a dot. So that's fine. And now for testing purposes, let's just print parts to see what's going on. Name of the file will be IP generator, something like that, really not important. Let's print it. IP will be something like this. So cool, we have 4 parts and we are good to go. But we will also need the dot later to concatenate these 4 parts. So A will be dot. Now this chunk is fine, this is fine, and this is fine, but here we want to all numbers from 1 to 255, which is easy to done. But what if you need some kind of custom range, like you want to enter that custom range into your script? So let's do that. We need start, that will be integer. We'll take data from user, start num, and we also need end. Why we need this? Because we need range. So we will do range later, but this is preparation. So integer input end number, and that's cool. So let's go for test. Let's go through all these range. So for something in range, where range is from start to end, let's just print that specific entry. Sorry, I need to restart shell. Come on. Yep. IP addresses are really not important. Okay, start number will be 1 and end will be, let's say, 255, and cool. That's cool. You know, the script is not finished, but we have things rolling. See this? We wanna 255. So to evade this problem, just add +1 here. And now when you run script, now we will have, well, oh yeah, to 5, I want a 255. Sorry, again. And now we have what we need. So that's fine. And this was just some kind of half pseudocode or something. So we will remove print x and let's get to actual useful content. So what we need to print is first part of this IP address. So parts 0, and 0 means this because we are indexing from 0 in programming. Well, at least in almost all programming languages. And then we also need chunk 1 and chunk 2. Chunk 2, and we connect that to a specific individual IP, I mean entry in range. So if we try to run this, what's happened is what's gonna be is can only concatenate string, not int to string. I don't know if you can see this, so I have some kind of error here. Can only concatenate string, not int. Oh yeah, we need to put string here, so let's transfer this individual number to string, because that's what we need as end result. So that's kinda cool. Let's run the thing again. From 1 to 255. Okay, now this is okay, don't worry, you know. I mean, we have a bunch of numbers here. So the only thing we need to do is insert dot in between chunks. So it's really easy. Just add, you know, a, and a is dot. So plus a, and we need to do that here. You know, but maybe there are better scripts out there, better options, but this is also get the job done. I think that everything is fine. Let's save and run the thing. Oh, come on. From 1 to, I don't know, 160. And there you go, now you have your generator. Really, really fancy. So what now? Well, let's do that into command prompt, terminal, console, blah blah blah, whatever you like. So Python, what is name of the file? IP generator. I need to get some glasses, I can see nothing. Enter IP, I don't know. And start number 5 and number 100. And there you go. Now you have your IPs, and then you can do whatever you like. Export to external file, copy paste, I don't know, you can practice. So that's about it, folks. If you have something to add, ask in the description, talk with each other, yell at each other, whatever you seem fit and useful. Thank you as always, and see each other in the next tutorials. Bye.